I'm Charlotte Moore and this is Maria Sayaki, and together we form a collaboration called Studio Hot Mess.
Through the process of site exploration and talking with the locals of St Austell, we've developed a lot of the backstory behind our tile designs. We've tried to incorporate a lot of the surrounding flora of St Austell, specifically those that grow within the clay pits of St Austell.
Café Tengo was the first project that we worked on.
Yeah, we initially started with a prototype of a facade where we created sort of rather voluptuous tiles that were 3D and that could be planted. Sort of the shape of it was inspired by the topography of the clay pits of Caerleon, and then we sort of did a lot of research into what sort of plants were around that were local to the area and were also edible as well, because the shop is a cafe, so we like the idea of kind of connecting those two things.
This is our cafe. We're a family business. Me and my husband run the cafe, and we live here. And this basically is our garden. The walls of the cafe are our garden. We've been here 5 or 6 years, and we've put a lot of effort into bringing the inside of the cafe up to scratch, how we want it. But we work very closely with the Town Heritage scheme about the outside of the cafe. Originally, the plan was to reinstate the shopfront to look how it would have looked 100, 200 years ago, which was, it was a great idea, but it would take a huge amount of effort to get it to that point, because the original shopfront was all ripped out in the 60s. So we kind of looked at alternatives, and we came up with the idea with Studio Hot Mess of having a planted wall. The idea was a bit out there, but we were just so happy to go for it, to bring something new to the town and, give people a reason to actually come into town and things to see. We'd already started off the project with the ceramic signs, the shop signs, and that went down really well. They look amazing, so we wanted to continue to make the whole shop front look really special. And also as well with the plants, it's always changing. There's always something new. We'll put new plants in, try different things, see what works. We put a lot of time and effort into it, and I think that reflects on how people feel about the town. They come in, they see this care's happening, care and attention, and they really respond to it really well. We actually had a couple of people come down from up country. They're down here on holiday, but they came into St Austell specifically to see the project. So no, that was really encouraging.
All the feedback has been positive. People are very happy to see it. That every day I'm out there watering them. I'm never short of someone to talk to. Everyone comes by and never afraid to say anything lovely about it. We're sort of learning as we go which ones work and which ones are not working. Myself as well, I'm sort of quite new to sort of taking care of plants in this sort of way. So every day I'm treating it as a learning experience to sort of increase what I know and look after them better. It helps improve the feel of the town. So we've got this project and the others in town. It shows that the town centre does care about how it is seen, how it sort of comes across, and staying very positive with it all.